Hey, so it's Sunday and we are going to the bee house. So nagarantantinid kami for packing and loading things. So ayan, tinan mo may mga leaves na dito. Pero sa bee house it's still winter, kaya tara tingnan natin.
Was ist denn möglich in 2? Du hast jetzt also tanzen gelernt? Ja, was da alles tut für eine Ausbildung.
Welcome to Kasi. Hoy! Oh my God. Wow, look at that. Look at my roses. Oh wow, look at my roses. Here. Oy. And then here. And then here. Oh my God, it's damaged. Oy. So, we arrive here. Nandito na kami sa bee house. That's beautiful. Huh? That is beautiful. Malamig dito. 9 degrees colder kaysa dun sa city home. And so may mga tao sa mga bahay-bahay. Ayan, if you can see. Oh my God, look at that. It is snowing. It's snowing, Dai. Wow, look at the snow. Look at the snow. It is snowing. Oh. Kagigising ko lang, Day. And mamaya pa kaming gabi babalik sa city home. Nandito ako sa sulok. And in a little while maliligo na ako kasi it's time for us to go back to the city home. And well, na-miss ko ang pagstay dito sa bee house. Though wala kaming maraming ginawa. nagluto yung asawa ko ng dinner last night, and isa sa mga paborito ko, of course, yung hamon at saka yung ginisang sitaw na palagi niya niluluto. And ang sarap-sarap nun. And may leftover, and kinain ko yun, day. Ngayon, parang tanghalian. Katatapos ko lang magligpit, and nandito ako sa aming kwarto. So, welcome to our bedroom. So, nagligpit na ako ng kama and nagpalit na ako ng aming bedsheet. Yan yung bedsheet na ginamit ng asawa ko since nung nasa Pilipinas ako. And since nga nung nasa Pilipinas ako, wala akong naging chance na pumunta dito sa bee house because of my new job. And now, na ang ganda ng feeling na nandito ko sa bee house ulit. So, I will show you. Kanina, di ba, umuulan, nag-snow. So, now, everything is starting to clear up again. So, meron pang snow. Ayan, ang ganda. It's beautiful, my God. Look at that over there on top. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Pero technically, spring na, di ba? Spring season na. Kaya lang dito siyempre sa taas ng bundok, dahil mataas ito, nag-i-snow pa rin. So, siguro mga 1 month bago mag-formal spring season dito sa taas ng bundok. And maganda rin naman yan kasi at least walang garden work na magaganap. Kasi lahat yan, magtutubuan and even the grass. So, malaking garden work yon para sa akin, kaya okay na lang. So, yun nga, here is set. And now, ipiprepare ko yung aking gagamitin dahil ako'y maliligo na. So, pauwi na kami. So, naka-prepare na lahat. It's raining. It's raining. Ay. So, isang mabilis na silip lang dito sa bee house, and na-miss ko siya. Sayang, nag-snow at umulan. Dapat magsuswim ako. Dapat mag-ski kami. But then the weather is not so good. And nagstay na lang kami sa bahay. And hindi na kami lumabas or kumain sa restaurant. Kasi nga, the idea is to enjoy the bee house. And I'm so happy na na-enjoy ko kahit papano yung time namin dito sa bee house. So, bye, bee house. Hi, we're here. It's so cold. Alright, so we are here in Burger King, and this is my Whopper burger, and this is mine, the chocolate. Wala yung yung chili cheese. Sa menu meron siyang chili cheese something plus the fries. This one. Thank you. So Opo. Cal. Hi. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. Hello. Hello, hello. 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 Hello, our home sweet home. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hello there. Hello there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hello. Hello there. Oh my God. Hi. Wow. Hello there. So, hello baby girl. Hello baby girl. Alright. So I'm home sweet home, and tomorrow is another day back to work, and I'm so happy I was able to do all the things na dapat kong gawin, from the Philippines to going back to work to visit the houses, and